What's the meaning of askari? Askari. Askari.
Askari. Askari. Askari is a Swahili term that refers to a soldier or guard. The word originated from the Arabic word askar, which means military personnel. Askaris were originally African soldiers who served in the European colonial armies in Africa during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Askaris were known for their bravery and loyalty, as well as their disciplined and obedient nature. Today, the term askari is still used in many parts of Africa to refer to soldiers or security personnel.